MotoCheez.
My VTS kit came in from Sea-Doo. Gotta pop that off, pop that off. Some people were saying that the OBD plug was here. Mine was way down there behind the battery. Unplug that, and you plug it into here, and you take this one, and it plugged right there. That one's a Torx. Oh, my button. I think now's a good time to clean my button. Let's see how the awesome cleaner works. Nah. How about this stuff again? Nope. This stuff again? Nope. Try some bleach. Well, nothing seemed to take it all off. If I would have known that, I would have ordered a new button. Off with the old and on with the new. Follow the starter wire down. Pull through under here. Clip our new cover on here. Forgot my button. That was easy. Put our Torx screw back underneath. And our smaller screw up top. Feed that through all the way to the bottom of the steering arm there. Probably easier from this side. You gotta get under there, pull this lock, which is this red tab down, then you can squeeze that and pull it out. Then you gotta pop this piece off. Then you can go in there with one of those little jeweler screwdrivers and pop that cover off. A little clip on each side. Now with the plug facing like that, with the tab up, that's 1, 5, and 6. Black, white with blue, white with green. Handy dandy kit I bought a while ago. Odie Ride's got me a set for Florida, a little smaller than this. Should be able to pull that right out now. On second thought, push them through from behind because I didn't disconnect my battery. I've also seen people grab the back of these and spin them so they'll pull out if you don't want to take that front of the plug apart. Don't clip it in quite yet. Pin's facing that way. Push it in until it clicks. Black with white, white with blue, white with green. All snapped in. You can hear it snap, it won't pull back out. And then snap that in. Clip it, and then push a little red tab up in there. Let's try it out. There's a procedure that makes this thing flip up, and I gotta see, I can't remember what it is. Don't start it. It's not working. It says I have the VTS right there. Huh. Well, it works anyway. It was all the way up. I guess wherever you leave it, snap her back together. Put some zip ties first. And that's it. About 20 minutes. Thanks, Steve. Bought a key tag.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.